Is future work human? That's a tricky question. I would say yes, but we will be massively augmented by AI. Traditionally, we have been thinking about AI as mimicking or replacing humans. So we think AI as means for automation. This is perhaps not wrong, but it's not definitely the only thing how to think about AI. Hi, I'm Paavo Ritala. I'm Professor of Strategy and Innovation from LUT Business School, Finland. This week, Spotify CEO announced that you have to prove that AI cannot do the job before you ask for more resources or try to hire a new employee. They also announced that the AI and the use of AI will become part of all performance reviews in the future. So everybody needs to use AI. That is only the testament of how useful the AI has become in almost every industry, every task, and for any professional, actually both white collar and blue collar. The AI, which we used to know, was called machine learning, and it's still being used in industrial optimization, quality monitoring, and predictive maintenance, for instance. And this AI is not going away. But the new AI systems, which are called generative AI, are really requiring us to redesign our workflows, tasks, and organizations, and even leadership. There are already more and more academic evidence that use of AI as part of human teams increases not only efficiency, but also quality as well as creativity of knowledge work. And interestingly, it can also improve work well-being and lower frustration in knowledge work. So, what happens in 2025? The talk is about AI agents or agentic systems. And AI agents mean AI that can self-learn, adapt in different environments, and can operate autonomously, fully autonomously, or almost autonomously with the human in the loop. So, in this world of augmented AI agent organization, how does future work look like? Think about an example from forestry industry, for instance. If you're focusing on creation of customer value, you might have an AI agent working on researching the market, researching market trends. Other group of agents is focusing on customer feedback, customer process data, and customer sentiment. And then you can combine these insights and improve your sales and customer relationships management processes, well ahead of your competitors if you know what you're doing. This type of task and this type of capability is completely new and unheard of. So it requires us to take AI seriously, not only by individual human productivity tool, but also as a strategic partner, as a strategic framework to think and redesign the future of work. We can now imagine organizations where there are numerous humans, but also a lot of AI agents, even hundreds, even thousands. You can imagine, for instance, new workers coming to the organization who are oriented to engineering and technical issues. Now they have access to a lot of marketing and communications capability through AI agents. Likewise, people working on marketing and communications can get access to technical capabilities. We can think about redesigning teams which are interdisciplinary, specialized, and human AI augmented. This is a major challenge for both leaders and individuals in organizations. Future of work is definitely human. We need to be able to ask the right questions from AI. We also need to be able to interpret what comes out of AI systems and from AI agents. So the deep domain experts, we certainly do need them. We need people who can work with AI, who understand what AI does, but who also understand the world outside of AI and the world out there. What's next for organizations is to really think hard how they create value by using AI. Everybody's always looking for efficiency. And AI is definitely good for that, but this will not set you apart. Adopting a growth mindset with AI and human AI augmentation and the use of AI agents is something that might set you apart. I would urge everybody to think about what's the opportunity with AI for top-line growth, for doing things differently, and creating new types of human AI augmented teams, workflows, and organizations.